So, Leyarna, hi guys, by the way.
We don't go to the park where it's raining. I don't care about the rain. So, yeah.
Yeah, basically we're just going to a scooter track, pump track. We've got the little Maverick Strada MT monster truck, haven't we, back?
Yeah, and then we'll go in the park.
Yeah, and then we'll go out park. But first of all, we're just going to blast this monster truck. We've only got one 2S battery to run through, so it won't be very long. She's got crawlers and trail trucks and things like that. You can find all them on my channel, and a little SCX24 and an Axial ryft and everything. But she just wants to get something a bit faster, a bit more monster trucky, because monster trucks are cool.
That's the park.
Yeah, that is the park. Right, I think we'll leave the gimbal in the car, because it's not waterproof, is the gimbal, and we'll just make do with this GoPro. Now, you can get a brushless version of this, which is 3S capable, but we will upgrade this at some point. See if you can go around track then. Whoa, good one. Come on. Oh, gotta be careful with yourself. Do you know, like on your Monster Jam Steel Titans game, how when you let off the throttle and you keep on, oh, just got took out.
I think there's a like us time.
Throttle control. Woo! Oh, careful, there's a river down there. Right, calm down. It's in the road. Woo! Go on. See if you can come flying up here and zoom off there. Oh.
I'm gonna let you go up here.
Bowling.
That's a good thing, Dad. Shall I go with it? Yeah, Daddy. Better watch out. Dad, shall we go to the park now? Let's get in.
So we just had a blast. Only one battery, normally we'd be out for hours, but she more wanted to come to the park. But did you have fun with the monster truck?
They won't go up her.
Yeah, that's probably as far as it'll go, because you have to run down and then jump on it. But did you enjoy the monster truck? Yay! We got an answer! Go on. You meant to run off there and jump on it.
That's enough. Ah!